Avery, what are you doing?
I'm vacuuming.
You're vacuuming?
I'm vacuuming. Oh,
You're going to vacuum and clean up our big mess? Thank you. You're such a good helper. Can you show Mommy what else you got from Santa? Can you turn your vacuum off? What else did you get from Santa Claus? You got... Look at all those books. How about that princess that walks and talks? Can you show me that?
where?
She's right there, the Dora princess. You got that from Santa Claus?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, neat.
She doesn't talk.
She talks if you push her necklace. She's a dancing princess.
She's going to run with boots. Run, run!
What about your pink car? Did Santa get you a pink car?
Yeah,
Where?
right there. Can I drive it? Can you?
Here, turn it this way. Hang on, honey. Guess you got that under control, huh?
It's under control.
Okay, let's... Whoa, 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 whoa.
Avery, take your finger out.
You okay?
Whoa. Stop. Enough. She could have ran that thing.
Mama's got to teach you how to steer, I think.